This is my weekly market recap of every trade I went through for this week, every trade I took, the lessons of the trades, and the outcome. You know what I'm saying? See what we're gonna focus for the next week and improve on, and what mistakes we made. We cannot make the same mistake again, right? Let's go over it. So on Monday, on right on the saying London session, I had a setup. This setup I did not take, but I did have this setup. I think Monday I was really tired, so I was like, man, I'm just gonna sleep till the New York session. You know what I'm saying? I did sleep, and I eventually when I woke up New York session, I took a loss. Unfortunately, when that loss was a stupid loss, so we're gonna talk about it as well. But on Monday we had an A+ setup with a 4 John Lacuz bullets and 4 Botches bullets, and we had the confluence to the upside with basically an hourly order block, right? Then we're looking for a 15-minute confluence, which we had a 15-minute order block, and prior to 15-minute order block, we had a 5-minute confluence, which is 15 to 5-minute for buy gap. I think so. No, yeah, 5-minute order block as well. So then we got it from there. Entry right there. It sets out right below this, and break even right here. Take profit right here. I did not take this trade. Unfortunately, you miss out on 6.58 RR, but it's all fine. You know what I'm saying? We're here to learn. So what was the lesson of this trade is, man, if I would have taken this trade, I should have taken the action. I'm saying, what was the lesson of the trade? Just take action, you know. But what was the lesson? If I did take the trade, is don't have a realistic sell stop. Don't put it too wide or too close. And trust the order block, you know. So you trust the order block that goes to general liquidity, because usually I trade order block, right? So, you know, trust the order block that goes with general liquidity, right? When the order block that goes with general liquidity has a higher power, right? So I should have definitely trusted this, and I don't know, because at that time on Monday, I kind of distrusted this, and yeah, that was that. And I put a sell stop below that. Should have put a, you know what I'm saying, if I would have taken a trade, I probably had a wider sell stop, but yeah, that's sort of been the lesson, you know. Trust the building block, you know, to trust the power of order block, because that order block was going on liquidity, which really, to me, that's a huge indication of that, yo, this has a higher chance of getting respected rather than getting disrespected, right? And TP1, TP2 right here, that I think it was close to all-time high. But on Monday, we took a dumb loss. The reason I took a dumb loss, I took a dumb here. I did not lose. Yeah, listen, right? Market stopped me out first before proceeding to hit my take profit. The market took me out first, right? Stopped me out, then hit my take profit, which was crazy. My sell stop was right over here. Market took me out. Eventually, when my buys eventually hit all my take profit. But what was the lesson of this trade? I should have not even taken a trade on Monday. Why should I have not taken a trade on Monday? Because the 4-hour time frame swept out a high or low, which that changes that's drawn liquidity, and the 4-hour time frame did not close, right? So we still don't know where the drawn liquidity at, because the market just swept it out, and we don't know what the next drawn liquidity, right? Because the 4-hour time frame candle did not close. So that was the next mistake. So the mistake I made was, next time when the market sweeps out a higher or low in the 4-hour time frame, when that basically decides my entry, and not decides my entry, decides my bias. When it does that, just let the market, the 4-hour candle close before it decides to get in or out. And if that would have happened, there would have been no dumb losses, and yeah, there would have been no entry, right? So yeah, prior to that, you know, after that we had no setups. Then we go to the next day. This setup I did take. This setup was basically on Tuesday on 2 o'clock. Right when market open, I took a setup, and yeah. So let's go over this setup. So why did I take this setup? Pretty simple. It was go to the all-time high. It was not all-time high. It was like resistance high, right? So why did I take this trade? It was basically, you know, hourly order block, the 4-hour time with bullets. This was the A+ setup as well. 4th time with bullets, the 4-hour John Lucky with bullets. We're looking for a 5-minute confluence, which we had a 5-minute for buy gap. Then entered on that, sell stop below this. And when I took this trade, I put up my sell stop a little too wide, and take profit was right here. And I eventually cashed out right here when the market on higher. I cashed out right here, but yeah, that's where I got out. So yeah. So what was the lesson of the trade? Have a realistic sell stop. Don't put your sell stop too wide. Have a good spot to sell stop, because I put my sell stop a little too wide. So I mean, I didn't make that much money from this trade. So yeah, that is that. So next time, the next time lesson is just to put a realistic sell stop, because that's what I've been struggling recently with, having a way too wide sell stop, right? After that, we took another trade over here. This one hit TP as well, and the same problem here as well, right? So where we're looking for 15-minute confluence, which we had a 15-minute for order block, right? Our 15-minute order block got touched. We're looking for a 5-minute reaction. We had a 5-minute for Y gap. Got in, fashion out of that. Sell stop right below this. Sell stop should have been, the sell stop when I got in was wider than this. So yeah, this is like a 4 RR. When I got in was like a 2.4 RR, which was like a 2.4 RR right here. Not really well, but next time we'll definitely fix it up. So what was the lesson of the trade? don't have a too wide stop loss, have a restricted stop loss, right? The market will not, if the market won't really do that shit if you know say if you get in the wrong time, right? If you get in the right time. So yeah, after that, and the next day, this setup right here on 2 a.m. I did have a setup which sets my forward for VI gap, but that setup to me was gonna break my rule of entry, because when I look for VI gaps, the VI gap has to get a deeper fill, and that for VI gap didn't get a deeper fill, it just got a touch. So I'm like, okay, this breaks my rules. Yes, he did go hit my take profit. No, I'm not taking it, right? And yes, I'm not taking it because he breaks my rule, right? And this right here, I had no setup. The market went up here, eventually just dropped down, and no setup over here. But the next day right over here, I did have a setup on 2 a.m. Had a setup right when market opened. What do you call it? Right here, super liquidity. My entry was right. I had an entry here. This was a break-even trade. I could show you guys that I touched it. So okay, let me show you guys that. Let me show you guys the entry, because this is a trade I took. Right. I took a trade somewhere over here when the market came. Right when the market opened, I took a trade. I'm pretty sure. Yep, I took a trade right on this. Where was it? Was it on the validation? I was waiting for a confirmation. I do not know why I entered over here, but I'm pretty sure I entered over there. Let me see the 1 minute time frame, because I entered a little too late on this trade. But on this trade as well, I think I had a wide stop. No, I didn't have a wide stop. My stop was right here. So yeah. But this trade was a break-even trade because the market eventually went up higher, came back down. I was looking for it to go to the all-time high. Market never did that, came back down, took us out, right? But my entry should have been, yeah, my entry was like right over here. I was looking for SC confirmation. When we tested the 5 minute order block, I was looking for an entry, which was, what was the 5 minute order block? Which was right over here, right? I was looking for an entry to get in from this. I do not know why I entered so late. Next time, just take action. So I'll tell you guys why. So yeah, right when the market touched it, I was looking for an entry. This reaction right over here. That's a 5 minute provide gap. This reaction should have been it for me to get in. Right, so I upload this. Take profits all that all-time high, and eventually the market came back down. I did not cash out nothing. But yeah, I'll tell you guys what the lesson from the trade. I was going for a 6 RR, which was right. So this trade I took, what was the lesson of the trade is, don't have a too wide stop loss, have a realistic stop loss. What do you call it? Once the market hits a take profit one, that's start to try a stop loss, start trying it, because the market was in deep profit. I was up like 3 RR. Eventually I sort of start trying my stop loss, because you know market might do a huge crash down. When there's a huge crash down, I won't lose that much, right? So I should have definitely tried my stop loss higher and protected my profits, right? So yeah. And the other lesson in this is to enter right when you see the entry. Don't enter too late, enter on time, because I got a really shittier entry because I was like unconfident, right? You know, so the next lesson is like to be confident, right? Know that you set up will deliver. You know, don't be fearless. Don't let people opinion while trading, right? So yeah, this was it. And eventually I got stopped out when the market came back down. I should have definitely tried my stop loss next time on. Try a stop loss. On this session I didn't have no setup. I did have a setup, by the way, which was from, I didn't have a setup on this. I did take a trade over here. I hit a 1-to-1 RR, but I'm not gonna show you about this trade because this trade wasn't a good condition. The market was really moving weird. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk about this trade. It's just due to because of how the market conditions were. I'm not trying to build bad habits. I'm trying to build good habits, right? So I did make 1 RR on this trade. And for this other days, I didn't make no. I didn't hit nothing. Other 2 a.m. I didn't hit nothing, right? So yeah, this is my market recap. What was the lesson of the trade of this week? Don't have such a wide stop loss. Have a realistic stop loss, because if you enter the market, you know what I'm saying, if you enter at the right time, market will eventually go your way. And other thing is that what were the other lessons? Be fearless. Don't tell people opinion while trading. Be confident. Know that you said it will deliver, and take action, right? And when like, you know, saying, know that your A+ setup will deliver in your way, right? So other than that is, yeah, that's that. So yeah, the next week, don't have a wide stop loss, have a realistic stop loss, have a good risk management. Don't FOMO in, don't FOMO into the market. Don't be like, okay, I'm missing out on making money, I'm missing out being profitable, anything. Take your time, be patient, you know, because your time will come if you just work on it. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching.